Hi, my name is Emilio Jose Garcia, and I am so excited to be a part of the Stepping into Possibilities Summit. The workshop that I am offering is all about self care, improving your mental health with self care strategies. In that workshop, I am going to be covering what self care is, how to create your self care list, and how to create that self care list by activity type, by person, and how to make self care practical, playful, and how to integrate in your day-to-day life easily. So the purpose of my workshop is to show you those strategies, and I always aim to make intentional living simple, fun, and available to every person on the planet. And self-care is such a foundation for each of us. And if we don't feel well, if we don't have enough energy, if we are emotionally charged, we are going to show up in the world in a way that we most likely won't like. So self-care is going to give you the tools, it's going to give you strategies to self-regulate, strategies to re-energize, strategies to ground yourself, and strategy to be kind to yourself and to others while also having fun. So I want to make this as playful as possible, as practical as possible, and as interactive as possible. I don't want just to be talking to you. You're going to be a part of the workshops, and you will have the opportunity to share, the opportunity to ask questions, and I will customize the workshop to the people that show up live. So I hope to see you there. I am so excited to hopefully see you in that workshop and be a part of your journey. And until then, I hope you have an amazing time. Adios.